How to get ChatGPT on desktop or your PC. Hey guys, welcome to Create, Login and Delete, and let's jump right into the video. First, open up your web browser and type down webcatalog.io/apps/ChatGPT in the search bar. And now click on the first link that appears, which is ChatGPT desktop app for Mac and PC. Once the site opens up, scroll down and click on the Get Desktop app on Webcatalog button, and now click on the link. Next, click on Download for Windows button, and now wait till the file gets downloaded. Once it's done downloading, open the file for installation process. Now it might take a while. After that, click on Allow from the pop-up, and now enter your email address and tap on Continue. After you submit the email address, you will receive a code on the following email. Open up the mailbox and check for code and enter the code. And now finally, click on the Login button. With this, you'll be logged into App Catalog. Now all you need to do is go to the search bar and type down ChatGPT. And once you find ChatGPT, click on the Install button. Now it might take a while again, but once it's done installing, you can open and now use the ChatGPT application on your PC or desktop. So that's it. We hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.